Hey, lovely people. I had a busy day today. I actually did nothing. Well, I made another video, what I still have to post, but I will post that before this video, so it's all cool. I did the most of the laundry and I made a salad, lunch. I took care of myself actually. But the laundry in 6 hours, which still isn't done totally, but I'm working on it. Yeah, and I did my temperature snakes, of course. If you want more info about it, please let me know. But the fact that I almost did nothing in the last 6 hours, it feels like so unsatisfying, and I don't know how or why, and it's really frustrating for me because it was just one laundry basket. So I could have had done that probably within 45 minutes, 1 hour, 15 minutes tops. So yeah, I think that's part of the neurodiversity picture, and well, I do what I can. I hope I can crochet something today. I'm working on Labrador and I have so many plans in my head to do for this channel as well, and I'm going to make a great cat butt pillow, crocheting cat butt pillow, designed by Happy Potato. I will post the link in the comments, and you really should follow her, and you can buy you can buy how do you call it? You can buy the design from her, so you know what steps to follow to make it. I will post as soon as I start on it. I'm planning to do 3, but you know, the autistic side really is pushing through on that, and the ADHD side, you never know what will happen, but I'm really, excited to start on it. So I think I can manage it, but it will take a long time. So I will post, as soon as I get started, I will post regular post on how that is coming. And once again, Happy Potato, she's great. Follow the link that I put below this video, and over there you can find her Etsy store as well, if you scroll down her Instagram, and from her Etsy store you can buy the design, and really it's a good design. It's no AI, she is great ideas, so just know, and I'm off topic again. So, but that was my day. Actually, almost did nothing. Made a salad, did my temperature snakes, and one heap of laundry. So, and I hope to start crocheting on my Labrador, so I can start my cat butt pillows soon. So have a great day. Bye bye. Follow me down the rabbit hole.